how people in USA are creating faceless Instagram channel just like this one. Look at this. She has got 95k followers and look at the views that she's getting. I checked her account and I got to know that she has only uploaded 213 content so far and she has got 95k followers with an engagement rate of guys 0.28%. That means if you know how to create faceless content, for example, like look at this one, guys. This is just a faceless content, and you know what, you can also get this faceless content for free. You do not have to buy this type of content. All of you can get this for free and with just one simple tool, guys, one simple tool, which is Canva. So if you want to know how you can create faceless content, I am going to reveal my strategies in this video. But before that, let's check it out how and how much followers she's getting on the daily basis. So if you see in 2025 18th Jan she got 104 followers, 19th Jan she got 129 followers, 20th Jan she got 74 followers. So on an average she's getting somewhere around 100 followers a day. And if you look at her monthly gained followers, then you will be able to see in March 2024 she got 7,000 followers, April 2024 she got 12,000 followers, and so on. June 2024 she got 21,500 followers, guys. This is what the power of faceless content is, and she's also getting a lot of views and other stuff if you just look at the data. So I just checked it on Social Blade account. Now the point is how you can make such faceless content with the help of Canva. But before we start creating content with the help of Canva, I would like to see some more of her posts so that like we can check it out. For example, like in this one, you can see a girl is doing yoga at the side of a pool, and then she has written down something in the text format, and then caption is there, right? Then let's look at some other post of her. Now a girl is having a champagne at the like Paris, and then she's enjoying the beauty, right? Over here again, one girl is there, she's listening to music and having fun. That's it. Another girl who is just dancing, and then they are enjoying maybe, right? So you see that she's not producing very high quality content, and every piece of content that she's posting on Instagram or maybe on YouTube as well. So this is just a random content. You do not need to care about the aesthetics, you do not need to care about the background and other stuff. All you have to do is you just have to find a very good, appealing, faceless video, and then you will be able to like gain as much followers as you want to, right? And the best part is you can use this to create and post content on Instagram as well as on YouTube. So you can also post it on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or wherever you want to. So now, since we have seen so far like how she is producing content, now this is the time. Let's go ahead and like start creating content for ourselves as well. So what you have to do, you just have to go to Canva. And then once you go to Canva, then you just need to select this Instagram Reels section. Once you select this, now this is the format in which you will be able to create content by default in the Instagram reel format. So you do not need to care about the pixels, you do not need to care about the ratios, because now we have pre-default selected the size, right? After that, you need to select the elements section, and over here you need to search vertical videos. So you search vertical videos. Now there will be tons of videos will get available, so you click on see all. Now this is the time where you will be your patience and your creativity skills will be judged, as you have to select the best appealing video to create best appealing content. So what you have to do, for example, like let's talk about her, because she's also using the girl content. So let's say this is the content that we can use right now. Now she is reading the book. The main part that you have to do, the first step that you have to do, is you have to select the video that you want to use, and after that what you need to do, you just need to right click on the video, and then you need to, let me just shift this towards this area so that like I can show you, and then you need to select the set video as background. Now this video will get fit into the size of the Instagram reel format. Now you see how easy it is, and this reel is of size 14.6 seconds. I usually recommend a reel size of 7 seconds, 6 seconds, or 8 seconds maybe. This much long isn't required. So what you can do, you can trim down the video till the time that you want. So let's say I want to trim it till 8 seconds only, because I do not want to show more than 7 or 8 seconds content. Now if I just play it, you see the content has been fetched so far, and then she's reading the content. This is the faceless content, guys, although we can see the face of the girl, but that's fine. I'm not showing my face at least, right? After that, I have to add some animations just like she did. You see, there's a content right over here, content right over here. So what we can do, you need to go to the text part, and then you need to write the text that you want to. For example, like let's say I want to write uh, 10 books that you should read. So let's say we write in 10 books you should read. Okay, now this makes sense, and I can do it. I can decrease the size maybe, but this is not appealing. This is not the appealing one. Let's just delete it, guys. Let's just select anyone. Okay, how about this one? We can write 10 books you should read. Now I think this makes sense, right? Let's just stretch a little bit. Oops, my bad. How about this one? 10 books you should read. And then if I just play the video, you see, 10 books you should read. But this is not properly fitting up, so let me just reduce the size little bit so that like it should come in the frame. 10 books you should read, right? Now if you want to add animations, you can add the animations as well. That is completely your choice. You just need to select the text, and then you need to hover towards the animate section, and then you will be able to see a lot of animations over here. For example, like let's say I want to show it in the typewriter format. See, 10 books you should read. How cool it is, guys, and how easy it is to produce such type of content. We have like more animations if you want to. How about this one, or maybe this one? 10 books you should read. So I think this is more appealing one. So I like the burst one, but let's explore some more. How about pan? Nope, this is very, nope, not rise. Okay, how about pop, vibe, blur, breathe, tumble? So there are so many things, guys, that you can explore in the animation section, but I like this one, the burst one, so I'm just gonna go ahead with the burst one. And this is how I can produce as many content as I want to for my faceless Instagram channel, or maybe for my faceless YouTube channel. All I have to do is I just have to go to the element section, and then I have to select I just have to type the vertical video, and then I need to select the video, the see all section, and then from here I can select as like whichever video I want to, whichever looks appealing to me I can use. I can also use, how about this one, the coffee format. And then you just need to select this, and then you need to like shift it towards the, okay, my bad, fit size. So we need to find wait, replace background, yes. Now you see, and then you can change the placement of your text according to whatever you see. 10 books you should read. So this is now in the coffee format. So this is the complete faceless uh, shot. And then you can trim it. As I just suggested, you just have to drag and drop, and that's it. So I want to make it till 7 seconds. You see, now this reel format is of just 7 seconds. Now if you want to add music, you can always add music from this section, but since like it's always recommended to use the Instagram music section to add music, so that like whichever music is viral, it will help you, your content gets viral also. So you need to go to the Instagram, and then you once you're uploading your content, then you need to select the music directly from the Instagram itself. Do not like add music from Canva. You can, but the recommended feature is that you should use Instagram Music only, because that way your content will have a high chance to get viral. Now this way you can create as many faceless videos as you want to, and you do not, and you will never be out of content, because Canva has a lot of content, guys. Their library is like hell lot of content. Like you can create content for at least 365 days as well, guys. They are like hell lot of content available on Canva. You do not need to worry about like how you can get now faceless videos. So as this channel from USA has got 95k followers just by posting content, the same way you can do it. All you have to maintain is consistency, guys. Consistency. So if you look at her post section, then let's just check it out, like how frequently she's posting content. So this content she posted just 9 hours back, guys. This is also 9 hours back. This is 12 hours back, guys. 2 days back, 4 days back, 5 days back, 23rd January, 22nd January, 20th January, 19th January, 19th January, 18th January, and so on. So you see, she is maintaining the consistency in her faceless channel. That is what you have to do if you want to gain like 100k followers. All you have to do is you have to remain consistent, and you have to keep pushing content in the faceless format, and I have already given you the trick how you can do it. If you have any doubt regarding the how you can grow your YouTube, how you can grow your Instagram, you can comment down under this video, and I will be happy to assist you further.